Hi, David here from RadiationHealthRisks.com, and what we're doing here is we're doing a product review for this product right here called a Wi-Fi router guard. And the basic principle behind this is it's got a metal screen. Anytime you've got a metal screen, as long as it's got good conductive metal in it, it blocks out between 90 and 95% of the microwave, or otherwise known as radio frequency radiation. So over here we've got our Netgear router. So we're gonna, and then right here we've got our high frequency analyzer. This model on this is HF35C. This is the one everybody recommends. It's the one I recommend for measuring microwave radiation from the different appliances at the house. It's so handy to have because this is not a review on this product, so I shouldn't go into it, but you can measure anything. You can measure your microwave, your smart meter, your Wi-Fi, your cell phone, everything. It's awesome. So anyway, I'm going to show you how this works. This measures up to 2,000 microwatts per meter squared. The United States safety limit is only 1,000 microwatts per meter squared, so this measures up to twice that. And that's the most generous of most countries, are like only allow 100 to 200 microwatts per meter squared for their safety limits. The Wi-Fi router over there is, well, I don't know exactly because I don't have my adapter on here that there's an adapter you can get that's real inexpensive that allows this to read a lot higher than 2,000 microwatts per meter squared. I don't have it on here at the moment, but so we know this is that's gonna max this out. So we know that that's more than 2,000, and then we'll put it in the router guard, and we'll measure before and after, so you can see how much radiation it's blocking. So I'm gonna try to get over here close where you can see the numbers on the screen, hopefully. So let's turn this on. It's gonna make noise. It makes noise when it's picking up radiation. So here we go. It's also directional. Wherever I point it is what it's reading. So here we go. I can find the button. Okay, you can see how there's some numbers there that it's reading. It keeps going to a 1. When it's at a 1 like that, that means it's maxing out the reader. It's more than 2,000. So I'm going to set this down for a second. Hopefully you can see it. You won't be able to see the numbers though. I'm going to fold this over and stick it in here. Okay, now I'll scoot back over here, and you'll see how much less that is. It's down around 60, 49, so it's really cutting down the radiation. 32, 93, 68, 45, 47. So there you have it. That's the Wi-Fi router guard. You know, an interesting thing about this Wi-Fi router guard, just to kind of give you a quick example. Okay, I'm going to turn this off so it quit making noise on us. They way overkill on these Wi-Fi routers on what you need. I mean, they put out a lot more radiation than what's the purpose of Wi-Fi? It's so that, by the way, it's much better to hardwire your computer so you don't have to deal with Wi-Fi. But my son goes to college near us, and he likes to use Wi-Fi on his laptop. That's the only reason I still have that. Otherwise, I just hardwire it all in. But anyway, so I put that in the router guard, and then just to be safe, I went down to the hardware store, Ace Hardware, and I bought a bunch of aluminum screen like you would do for your windows, you know, to make screens for your windows, but it's aluminum screen. And so I wrap the aluminum screen around the Wi-Fi router guard just to see, and it reduces it. When I have the screen wrapped around plus the Wi-Fi router guard, and I put this on, you can't even hardly tell that there's any radiation there. It's like I'm pointing it, you know, like it's turned off or something. But anyway, when I wrap it with the screen and it's inside the Wi-Fi router guard, anywhere my son is in the house, he's still on his laptop, he's still getting Wi-Fi internet, he's not complaining. It's uploading, downloading, watching YouTube videos, doing everything that he needs to do, still doing all his homework. It's just amazing why they put out so much, blasted power and radiation, and it's just unnecessary. But anyway, this gives you the ability to, if you need it, take it out. You need full strength for something, which I can't imagine that you would need. Take it out for a short time. You can put it back, but that way at least you can control the amount of radiation that you're getting. I just leave it in all the time, and hardwire all my computers in. And for what my son's doing on his laptop, like I said, he can do everything he wants to do, and it's not slow. Works just fine. So that's it. We'll call it a wrap. Appreciate it. Hope that helps. Talk to you later.